Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, for 54 minutes. In my case, most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. It depends what you want to check, because you've got two different ways to check some further details. You can tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you the whole screen time in particular days of the week. Under it you've got the apps listed. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and you can also check the details for only one app. So for example, settings, phone, Chrome, etc. Simply tap on it, and as you can see, we will have again the dashboard, but this time tightly connected with the app. So it's basically up to you. Here you've got also the ways to disconnect, which I highly recommend to check, because if you feel that you're spending too much time on the screen, you can set, for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode, where your device will limit the notifications and let you rest. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.